Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the gear. Plug the case in until the LED shows full, and install the OnePlus Companion app so firmware and settings are available. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the charging case, and leave the earbuds inside until they power on. If the earbuds don't enter pairing automatically, press and hold the touch sensor for 3-5 seconds to force pairing mode. Make sure your phone is scanning and accept the OnePlus device when it appears. Once connected, you'll customize controls and confirm options. Open the app and map single, double, or long taps for play, skip, voice assistant, or call answer, and configure ANC levels or ambient mode for situational awareness. Make sure to run any firmware updates in the app. This improves stability and adds features like multi-point connection. If you need two-device connection, enable multi-point and follow prompts. Test playback and calls while adjusting sensitivity. Finish by ensuring a secure fit. Try different silicone tips until you get a good seal, because fit affects sound and ANC performance. Make a habit of returning earbuds to the case to pair and charge. Battery management preserves lifespan. If you experience dropouts or pairing errors, reset the earbuds by placing them in the case, holding both touch sensors for 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair through Bluetooth. If that fails, reboot your phone and retry. This clears most conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.